the online Canton Fair. Till now is about 2 years. Yes, 2 years. So since the October 2019, we didn't see each other for like 2.5 years, right? Oh, oh my god. So, oh my god. Are you guys miss China or miss a friend like me? So the second part I would like to introduce to you today is like what makes a high quality LED strip light and which strips are the best. It's a secret, the message. Quality isn't something can be argued in an article or promised into it. It must be put there. If it isn't put there, the finest sales talking the word won't act the substitute. Agreed, guys? For me, as a salesperson, 100% agreed for this one. So when I saw this sentence, I can't wait to put it in my PPT. So why I would like to introduce to you the philosophy of our factory and why we focus on the high quality letter strips. It's not easy, as you know. You want to do something best in any specific field. It's not an easy thing. It's not easy. It's not always easy, right? So we have to be passion and desire and truly set and forget sliding solution to make the products we want to be as good as possible. There are many similar LED strip light sold in the market. So you can not accept us and also you can find there were so many other LED strip light supplier in the market. So not all the products are created equal, right? So because by different components and assembly method and quality control processes and performance. So on this by this way, so you will see that even with the same we all call that the LED strip light, but not all of us are created equal. So what's the difference first? And what I want to explain to you, like what's the difference between the Amazon, the eBay, and the the high-end options. We have plenty of time to get technical below to answer this question. Here we will briefly summarize. The main difference is something in three words: quality, control, and service. So let's discover together how we do this. Okay. The highest quality components. Selecting the right components is first step to creating a high quality product. We work meticulously with the engineers and manufacturers of the individual components that comprise the LED strip light, such as the LED chip manufacturer, the LED packaging companies, PCB, and the resistor manufacturers. Only the highest quality components are invited to the assembly floor for us. Okay, so the components are selected within a tight specification range to ensure long lifespans, thermal performance, efficiency, correct binning for color consistency, CRI for color accuracy, and product material safety. So we are here to show you how we do this for you. First is the LED binning and selection. This is one of the most important factors. See, one of the most important factors, okay, for the LED technology and one of the most overlooked. We use the same color bin for each manufacturing for our customers, specific customers. Okay, that means when you order 3,000 warm white water strip from us, and the order would be always the same within next year. There will be no perceivable difference to human eyes within 3 McAdams and have strict in-house batch testing to make sure your lights arrive perfect. Second is variable performance. Do not just take our word for it. Let the data speak for itself. So we choose the uh, perfect product. We also have all the testing data sheet to keep it for you. So all the lead products go through a series of scrutinous tests on the components and assembly level. Learn about the testing below. So we have like a different test to show you how we can guarantee our product quality. Is first one is the LM79 test. And when looking at a lighting application, we may focus on achieving a bright, beautiful, and pure light stream. What we look for here at LN LED is beyond that. This type of test will provide accurate results on light performance of the LED strip lights. So you can see here, we will test the lumen output, that's the brightness perceived by the human eyes, and the power consumption, and the efficiency, number of lumens per watt of the electricity, and also would you like the luminous intensity distribution diagrams, and the CII, which I explained to you before, and also the isocandela diagram, okay, the cone diagram, and also the fidelity index, the Gomez index, color vector graphic, the CQS. I will explain this to you, these terms to you by my next illustrations, okay? So second, we will test the LM18 test. So what is an LM18 test? This is the test for the lifespan of the LED chips we are selected. Okay, this will change in color output over time. So how do we define the lifespan of the LED strip lights? So we all know that so many factories or so many suppliers, they will put a number. I mean, the lifespan for the LED strips is like 50,000 hours, but how you can know, how you can ensure that is the true data. So this is the LM80 is the testing to show you how we can guarantee. Okay, so how does this test? I mean, how does this test means? So this is like a similar electrics test over 6,000 hours with non-stop, okay, non-stop. Each at a different ambient temperature. Lumen are recorded as intervals and data extrapolate after 6,000 hours to give a theoretic number of hours until the LED reaches 90% brightness. But our products are, I mean, after the 6,000 hours testing, our products are far more better than this data, okay? So also you have to keep in mind an important terms that is the geometricity shift. So what does this mean? This is the emitted color of light over lifetime of the LED strip light. The poor quality LED in its very beginning, maybe the color will look very beautiful to you, but as time changes by, it will change to a blue or pink hue after a short time. So for us, even under this 6,000 hours testing, our lights could ensure the colors will be not changing at all as its very beginning. Okay. So here we have the product confidence and quality control. Like before any of the mass production, we accept the samples order, the trial order. Okay. So you have the guarantee from us, like If you are not satisfied with our products, you can get the money back within 30 days. We have this money back guarantee for you. And also, you can see here, we have like a burn-in test. What is burn-in test means? Like all of our LED strip lights were put inside of our aging room to test, to run for non-stop test, 8 to 12 hours. Remember, this is for each of our LED strips. So we have the highest safety standards because all of our LED strips are UL, CE, and RoHS listed. We have the numbers here, the UL number here. The highest support standards. Please contact our sales team. We'll assist you for any of your specific needs. So just now, I just introduced to you. It's like how you choose the quality letter strips and what factors you need to consider and you need to pay attention if you are choosing the letter strips. Okay? And also, I make this one because